welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of BMW's most impressive subway. The 2025 BMW X7, known for its powerful performance and luxurious feel, the X7 continues to raise the bar in the full-size SUV market. Whether you're looking for spacious comfort, modern tech, or thrilling power, this vehicle promises it all. Let's jump right in and explore everything this car has to offer. Starting with the exterior, BMW has given the X7 a design that's bold yet sophisticated. Right away, you'll notice the signature kidney grille. It's massive and really commands attention on the road. Flanking the grille are slim, high-tech LED headlights that give the front end a futuristic feel. Moving along the side, the X7 has a balanced profile that feels both dynamic and elegant. The large alloy wheels, sharp lines, and chrome accents around the windows create a sense of refinement without going overboard. And at the back, the taillights have a sleek, streamlined look that wraps things up nicely. Overall, the X7's design stays true to BMW's luxury roots while adding a modern, commanding edge that makes it stand out. Under the hood, the X7 offers a couple of powertrain options, and each brings something unique to the table. You can opt for a turbocharged inline-six if you want solid power with great efficiency, but if you're really looking for a thrill, there's a twin-turbo V8 that packs a serious punch. Both engines pair seamlessly with an 8-speed automatic transmission, making for smooth gear shifts and excellent performance across various terrains. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system comes standard, so you're ready for all kinds of driving conditions, whether it's snow, rain, or even a bit of off-roading. Acceleration is quick, and despite being a large SUV, the X7 handles exceptionally well for its size, giving you that sporty BMW feel that's hard to beat. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 BMW X7 starts around $80,000 for the base model. However, if you go for the higher trims or the V8 engine, expect that price to climb, potentially reaching over $100,000 when you add in premium options. It's a significant investment, but considering what the X7 brings to the table, luxury, advanced tech, and strong performance, it's a solid choice for those who want a high-end experience in their SUV. In terms of what could be improved, there are a few things to consider. While the X7 delivers on power, luxury, and tech, it does have a relatively high starting price. For some buyers, this might make competitors in the luxury SUV market more appealing, especially those that offer similar features at a slightly lower cost. Additionally, the third-row seating can feel a bit tight for adult passengers. So if you need a full-size EF with more spacious third-row options, it might be worth exploring some alternatives. Finally, BMW NW's tech is impressive, but some users find the iDrive system a bit complex and might prefer something more intuitive. To wrap it all up, the 2025 BMW X7 is a powerhouse of a luxury SUV. Checks almost all the boxes for anyone looking for space, power, and elegance. Its bold design, advanced tech features, and powerful performance options make it a standout in the market. While it does come with a high price tag and a few minor drawbacks, it's a choice that offers serious value if you're after a premium driving experience. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 BMW X7. Would you pick this as your next luxury SUV? See you next time.